Hey everyone! Today I wanted to take you through one of my favorite breathing techniques, alternate nostril breath. It's a breathing technique that I use fairly often, especially when I'm feeling a little stressed and anxious. I would be lying to you if I didn't tell you that right now I was experiencing some anxiety. We are in the middle of a pandemic. We have been in quarantine, and some days are certainly better than others, but there are moments where I really need to just take a moment and to breathe. So this is a breath that you can use anytime. You can take it into your meditation practice, either to ease into your meditation practice to kind of feel centered and grounded, or if when you're meditating, maybe a thought becomes too much and you need to come back and focus on your breath, or maybe you're just having trouble falling asleep and you're lying in bed at night, you can use this breath. Pretty much anytime, anywhere, take full advantage of alternate nostril breathing. We're going to begin in a comfortable seat. If you have a bolster or pillow, feel free to use that, or a block, or even a blanket folded up at home. Wear something comfortable. I threw on some fun colored socks. Right? Just allow yourself to feel at ease and rested in your seat. And just close your eyes. Take a breath in. Open mouth, let it go. One more like that. Inhale. Empty out. Just breathe here for a few moments naturally. And float your eyes open. All right, coming into our alternate nostril breath, you're going to take your dominant hand, for me that's my right hand, and your thumb is going to seal one side of your nose. And I might start to talk funny, but that's okay. So you're sealing one side of your nose, and your ring finger or your middle finger is going to be used to work the other side. I want you to play with which finger is more comfortable for you. So your thumb is pressing into one side of your nose. Leaving the other side open, I want you to inhale. Hold the breath at the top. Then use your ring finger and middle finger to seal that side and release the other side. And exhale the air out. Nice, keep that side exposed. Inhale. Hold at the top. Seal with your thumb and switch to open the other side. Exhale. Inhale. Seal with your ring finger, middle finger, then open the other side. Exhale. Inhale. Seal and switch. Exhale. In. Seal and switch. Exhale. Keep going. In. Seal and switch. Let it go. And as you start to get the rhythm here, just close your eyes. Start to take this on your own. And one thing I get asked a lot is, well, I have a stuffy nose, so this is difficult. And that's okay. So if this is too much to physically seal your nose and letting air in only on one side, Then I want you to remove your hands altogether. And I just want you to visualize, like just try to feel and notice breath going in one side of your nose and out the other. All right, simply visualizing will still give you that same benefit. Wherever you end up, I want you to go for several rounds. Take a few more rounds. And slowly release your hand down to your lap. Just breathe naturally here for a few moments. Slowly open your eyes. Well, I certainly feel a lot better. Hopefully you do too. Remember, yogis, you can use this breath whenever you need and for as long as you need. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Namaste.